How to fund Tastytrade account. First, go to Tastytrade website and log into your account. And navigate to the management page. Once in the management page, go to the My Money tab and click on Deposits. Here, you can create an ACH relationship to link your bank to your trading account using our instant bank linking system. To start, select the trading account you wish to link to your bank. After the account is selected, click Link Your Bank Account. Now, search for your bank by typing in the name or scrolling, and then select a bank. After selecting, you may now enter your bank account's login credentials into the secure portal. Once logged into your bank account, linking system will communicate with your bank and establish a connection. Select the account you want to use within your bank, then click Continue. A window will appear, prompting a successful linkage. You're now ready to initiate deposits. Enter deposit amount and click Continue. Then click on Submit. That's it. Thanks for watching.